hello. How may I help you?
Yes. This is Her Royal Highness Princess Stella, here for an eye test.
Yes, I can hardly see and most definitely need glasses.
Of course, yes, it's such an honor. I spoke to Her Majesty the Queen. Yes, not so long ago. I thought maybe that Her Majesty would be coming in with the princess as well, no?
I handle royal appointments.
Of course. We're so thrilled that you have come to us for your business.
Will it take long?
So sorry. Please follow me, Mr. Pet and Miss Stella.
I am a butler.
Oh, thank you.
Oh,
Are you okay? You don't have to.
yes, yes. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. We want to make sure it's right. Okay, try again now, Your Highness.
Y, J. A, H, maybe K?
You seem to be very short-sighted.
That's what I feared.
Yeah.
K, H, L. It's very blurry.
Peculiar, Your Highness. Maybe we should try a different...
Maybe I just need to get used to looking at things with glasses on.
Still, we better check. We wouldn't want to give you the wrong...
I think we have established that Her Royal Highness needs glasses. Her Majesty the Queen assured me you were the right optician for this job. If you're not, we can go to another...
I am? What I mean is, there is an adjustment phase, that's true.
So, can I try some glasses on now?
I will need to check your lenses are in stock, depending on the frames you choose,
I'll
but...
choose the ones you have now.
Maybe these, Your Highness? The Queen Mother has these, and I feel like they would also... Oh, those are an excellent choice. Her Majesty the Queen has a similar pair, and they're most stylish.
Ugh. Ew.
Princess Stella and Queen Cat, like two peas in a pod.
Oh, they're perfect. You look very smart.
Smart? You think so? Then I'll take them.
Oh, dear. Oh.
Uh-oh. Hi. Hi. Huh?
Are you okay?
Yes. It's just an adjustment period, they say.
I didn't know you needed glasses, but I like them.
Yeah, me too. I'm very short-sighted, the optician said. Oh, ouch.
Are you sure they got their prescription right?
They're perfect. Morning, Mrs. Kaufman.
What? Ah.
Whoa. Oh, look at that cute puppy.
Oh, that's not a puppy.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, I like your glasses. They make you look really cool.